Hey everyone, Ted Lamb here. I'm the founder and CEO of Aither Automotive Intelligence, and I'm here to show you exactly what is Aither. Well, in order for you to understand, I think I'm going to show you instead. So what happens when you have a subprime approval at your dealership, and what's the next step? This is where we come in. We have a software that you can actually search for matching vehicles for your specific approval. And the nice thing is you can search through a dealer group if you'd like, check different stores, or we could just keep it on your own. Now for this example, let's pretend you don't have a lot of inventory, or if any, and you're in the province of Alberta. And you're like, well, Ted, if I don't have any vehicles, how am I going to find a match? And this is where AITHRhub comes in. 13,000 units that you can search for based on the province. These are frontline ready and they're available. So let's just jump right into it. You have an SDA approval? Great. 6-star, 750 pay call, 16.99% interest rate, 15,000 for your trade, and they owe, let's say, 20,000. They have $500 down payment. When I click search, this is what happens. We first scan through and find all the vehicles that are Carfax fitting for this lender. The second thing is we take the negative equity and the lender's 140% and we try to fit all those in. Then we take the pay call and try to maximize it to have gross profit. And just like that with our example, I have 28 vehicles in our hub that's active right now that's available, sorted from highest to lowest gross profit, and here we are. We got our gross profits displaying here, and sorted from highest to lowest, 9,500, 9,000, 7,300. Again, these are vehicles that we never owned. So what's the next step? Check this out. I click build, and in 1 second, I click maximize my pay call. When I click maximize, what it does is it takes all of the LTVs in the front, maximizes it, takes everything in the back, maximizes it, and just like that, we have a $9,500 deal based on $736.89 pay call because we can't surpass the LTVs. And in seconds, by utilizing our technologies, we're helping our dealers keep our clients in the Aither. Thank you.